What's up, Overtakers? Here we are, we're in the Skyline, cruising over to Dad's today because this Tacho is just a real piece of work. It's, you know, right now we're pulling up and we're going to go around this corner and we're climbing into 9,000 RPM. Backwards, actually. You know, we're coming down from 10 at the moment. And it's just interesting that it does this. But instead of fixing the solders, what we've done, we've gone and got a PowerTune Digital dash. So we're going to be installing that one today over at Dad's place, putting that one in the Skyline. Pretty excited to do this. We picked one up at a discounted rate from the guys at PowerTune, and so we're going to put that in today. That's the plan. If you guys smash the like, smash the comments down below, let us know. We might be able to have a chat to them and do a giveaway on a PowerTune Digital dash in the future. Hook up with those guys again and do something for you guys. So drop us a comment down below if you'd like to see something like that. And let's cut right into putting it in the Skyline. Let's do it. See how easy it is. In the print shop, mate, hanging out down here. Overtaking Lane, right lane print and media. Right lane print and media. In the print shop. We're here to go to OTL HQ though, because we're going to look at a digital dash, a PowerTune Digital dash, and putting that in the Skyline today. Mate, you've had some issues for a while with your Tacho. I certainly have. The Tacho is a common fault on the R33, that the solders come loose in the rear. Now you looked at that and I was going to fix it. Yep. And then was looking into originally the IC7, the Haltech dash, but I come across the PowerTune, which is, you know, very reasonably priced. Comes with a bracket. Bracket. What's this over here? Do you see this? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, sorry. Hang on. Very cool. Yeah, bit of foam. Bit of foam. Some instructions. Tells us what the kit contains. Now we did get the GPS model as well, so it comes with the GPS. Speedo. So you can go GPS Speedo. Yep. There's my little connection for the Haltech. And the unit itself. There you go. Okay. Now, you paid for this, right? Yes. So. Yeah, we got it at a discounted price, but we did pay for it. Yep. So the guys over at PowerTune, we met them out at Fridays, and had a good chat to them about the dash, and then went from there. So. Okay. Cool. Excited to put it in today. Do you know how to hook this up? I'm sure we can work it out from the instructions. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not doing a Dave and finding the bin, and I'm not chucking it in there. Only because the bin's full, right? I'm sure if we read the instructions, we'll be able to work it out. There's only a few cables. We can't go too wrong. All right. Well, let's go put it in. Let's do it. Straight into here. I know. You wish. Oh. It would support your ute, but they don't have a support for the LS1 computer yet, the stock computer. Oh, we'll keep on to them about that. Maybe they'll come up with it for us. All right. Let's go get in the car. Let's do it. What are we doing in there, mate? Just removing the bolt to take off the kick panel. Access to the ECU, which is hidden behind it. There it is there. Complete with JDM flare. Let me pop this out. Someone's been doing some wiring into there before. Unplug that and take that out of the way so we don't break it. Sit up on top of the trailer or something. Next we got the dash out, put that underneath the car, and then we started looking for somewhere to power the digital dash from. Which one? I can't read that. It was in my glasses. Tell you. I do have a translated version of it. Oh, do you? Yes. We might need that. So we can. So we found a spot to power it. Yep. So
the back of the dash.
These will work.
Yep.
These will work. These will do. The diesel fitter. That's my uncle. He's a diesel fitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's hangs out up at Best and Less and says to the women, diesel fitter, diesel fitter.
That's terrible.
Is that a dad joke?
Yes. Look, that'd be light. No handy having like a nice sharp knife. I wonder what you'd have one of those for.
Yeah, you could draw full of them. Come in very handy. Because I was thinking, I'll have to get one, and I'm like, oh no, there's one right here.
And a cut mat. Cut mats are handy too.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
I wonder what you'd have one of those for as well.
Just so I can cut these wires and not wreck my bench.
Isn't it handy having one of those? I remember many years ago installing the stereo in the Mirage, and you didn't have one of those and having to cut it with the wire.
I used my teeth. I didn't use my teeth, did I? I may have done that on occasions.
How good's that?
Almost makes it look like we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Eh?
Mm.
That's top. That down there. Do that. That shouldn't pull on then. Look at that. Beautiful.
Nice.
Okay.
Now we just got to go and put this back in the car, plug it all back in.
Yep.
And then we should be able to
You got to run
run the ECU cable.
Run your ECU cable across.
And we'll put the GPS in as well. And then we can make sure it works.
Are you meant to like resolder something here to fix them?
Yeah, there's some soldering on the...
Must be internal.
It'd be internal. You'd have to pull it off in here.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's where these connectors must hit the back or something.
Mm.
And that's how you fix the Tacho. Or you just get a digital dash. That also fixes the
Which
Tacho.
one was the top and which one was the bottom?
What do you mean?
Go all the way right.
There we go.
And then select the relevant ECU type.
ECU selection is CAN, that's correct.
No.
Dash select? No.
Won't you want ECU as Haltech?
Well, it's going through CAN power.
It doesn't give you an option.
It'll be here somewhere. There we go.
Scroll all the way to the right to reach the settings. Press start at the top right.
I'll start up.
In the ECU drop down box, select the relevant. You've got all different ones. Nissan, Evo, Barra, Max, M-Tron.
I probably really went past it.
Haltech B2. Drop down, select relevant ECU type. If not already selected, in most cases it will be CAN. Then press start up tab at the top.
We haven't connected the
Pick your
GP.
ECU and press apply.
Alright. We haven't connected the GPS yet either.
Yep.
So I can't choose that. I guess I could, but it's just not going to get any speed right now, right?
Apply. And then it'll start up. After the dash reboots, scroll back to the settings and press connect. Scroll left to one of the data screens. So yeah, okay, won't get ahead of ourselves. After reboots, scroll back to settings.
Looks like I have data now.
Back to settings and press connect.
It's already connected. I just have to press disconnect.
Yeah. Scroll left to one of the data screens and look for RPM readings.
Yep.
We're good to start?
Yep. Hang on. Might have an alarm on.
big change.
Yeah, so it's sitting on. Yeah, it goes up to 14. Press on things. Able to add things. Cool. Alright. Let's put it in.
Yeah, so we've connected. We've done something right.
Yeah. Alright, so the old dash is back in.
Yeah. Now, we just got to work out. Where's your where is the other part of the dash? Thinking. We could just pop the wires up through there, or even just up through there would be fine. Like so.
The only problem, I don't know what goes to what plug.
I got that one. That one. That's your electric antenna. Clock. Hazards. Really?
There we go. Just had to line it up.
And the mister.
Shooting my finger.
And what's this big boost tube here? I don't know what that is, and I think we should really research that because I'm interested now. We need to go back. I can't reach that. Or are you not done yet?
I need to go down so we
Oh
can
no, you
actually
can't
go in.
because you're on the indicator stalk.
We're also gonna rip that up a bit. What was that?
My foot. Okay. Hang on, I'm stuck with something. Yeah, now better. Stuck on something? We're in down here, aren't we? Gotta get the top first. Now we look right.
Good to me. Indicator's working again. It's satisfying, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
You happy? You get to do all that now, you get to feel the plastic.
Yeah, I get the spoils.
Have you locked the steering wheel back in?
No.
Still back in. Oh, we've still got to put this panel back in too.
Oh yeah.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky.
So guys, we've got the new dash in. It's mint.
It's working great. And we're on our way home now. Another job done. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure you let us know in the comments below. Hit like, smash the like button actually, smash it. We need more likes, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, do all those fun things, those things that you need to do. Jump on the website, overtakinglane.com.au, pick yourself up some merch, do all the good stuff, and consider becoming a member as well down below. But if you can't do that, then just hit subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Stay in that right lane.
If you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?